Alright guys, it's pretty much self-explanatory on that one. Basically, you pull the old ball joint out or pry it out because sometimes they're in there a little bit. And you stick the new one in. Like that. And it comes with bolts. And they should be really good bolts if you ask me. I haven't really looked at them. Self-locking. They're black. Yeah. I don't know. 3 marks, that means it's what? Grade 5. Actually should have like a grade 8 in there or something like that. That's my opinion. But we're gonna use what it gave us. And I am putting the bolt down. Like so. And the nut on the bottom. Not sure if that's the proper way to do it, but that's the way I'm going to do it. And here's the grease fitting. Make sure you tighten that. It's a overkill tool here. You want that where you can get to it. You don't want to spin it around where it's going to be at your knuckle assembly, because there ain't enough to turn that all the way back around again. New cotter pin. I always use these new cotter pins. This thing didn't have no upper cotter pin on the upper ball joint or the outer tie rod end so far that I've found. So that cotter pins are a must. You have to have cotter pins. If you don't, you're asking for it. And they're so cheap, use new ones. If you don't help it, just use a new one. Okay. I'm going to torque these down. No specific torque on these. You will have to look at a grade 5. Look at, what is that, 7/16 it looks like, size. And guess on your torque specs. Or you can use the, Guten torque meter. That's probably what I'll end up using. Guten tight. Alright guys, that's how you install the lower ball joint. Make sure it's tight, and then squirt some paint on that thing when you're done. Just hose it, because there's a lot of bare metal right there, and that'll end up rusting. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll show you how we unbolt the upper and install it in here in a second.